In order to get your design onto a t-shirt sleeve, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson Hybrid DTG print technology. You'll need a heat press, automated pre-treater, the sleeve platen, and the Epson F2270 printer. First, place the sleeve of your garment on top of the heat press. Place a sheet of parchment paper on top and press for about 20 seconds. Next, load your garment into the automated pre-treater, and you can also place a sheet of parchment paper underneath to catch the excess spray. Press the button to spray the sleeve. Carefully place your garment back onto the heat press and allow it to hover under the heat for a few minutes. When done, place a sheet of parchment paper on top and press the sleeve for about 75 seconds. Next, we'll want to swap from the included medium platen to the sleeve platen. Lower the platen height down to 8. Carefully load your sleeve onto the sleeve platen. You can also use the included platen hoop to secure the sleeve in place. In Garment Creator, open the design that you'd like to print. Choose your garment color, and now go to the Layout Settings tab. We'll want to switch from the medium platen to the sleeve platen. Now click the Print button. Press the Print button on the printer to begin the print job. When the printing is complete, carefully load your garment back onto the heat press and place a sheet of parchment paper on top of the sleeve, and now press for 75 seconds to complete the print. And that's how easy it is to get a design onto a t-shirt sleeve using the Epson SureColor F2270.